Okay, am I audible to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You are
Okay.
audible.
Okay. Okay, so Sharup, are you there or not?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Okay. Sharup, please tell me. Sharup, please tell me the basic question, that is, what are the control strategies of chopper? What are the control strategies of chopper? Do not Google it. Just tell me.
What, sir?
What are the control strategies of chopper?
Sir, I have no idea about this.
Can you did not heard about pulse with modulation, PWM, frequency modulation,
I had, but yes, sir,
current,
I had this.
current limit control? Okay.
Sir, I think frequency controlled and by that we can control the chopper.
Yes, that's why I am asking, what are the control strategies? What strategy you should adopt to control the chopper? Control strategy. What is the control strategy? Like I am telling you. First point is that with pulse width modulation, PWM, variable turn on or constant frequency modulation. Point number 2. Okay, and third point is current limit control, CLC.
Currently.
Yes. Okay. No issue. Shonu, are you there or not? Shonu, are you there or not? Shonu is not there. Okay. I'm marking him. Okay. Now come to Abhijit. Again, come to Abhijit. Are you there? Hello, Abhijit. Abhijit, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhijit, please give me and give me some example of the power tonics application, but in day-to-day life. Give me some example of the power tonics application in day-to-day life, please.
सर पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइसेस से बहुत ज़्यादा सर यूज होता है, जैसे कि चार्जर सब हो गया सर, थायरिस्टर्स रहता है
Where please repeat.
सर चार्जर सर,
What type of charger?
सर फोन चार्जर
Okay.
सर, फोन चार्जर
And
मोटर फॉर मोटर कंट्रोल, चॉपर्स इन मोटर्स और डीसी मोटर कंट्रोल, स्पीड कंट्रोल ऑफ डीसी मोटर थ्रू चॉपर्स सर.
but what is the most available or viewed most used, what is the most used equipment or device that we all are using in our home?
सर चार्जर, उस चार्जर वजह सर एज ए रेक्टिफायर,
No,
मोटर्स. यस
UPS,
यस सर, यूपीएस
uninterruptible power supply. Okay, we
Power
all have computer in our desktop in our home, and with the
Yes.
desktop, obviously we have UPS, and in the UPS it is have a power tonic circuit in it. Okay, and also SMPS, switch mode power supply, speed control of motors. Okay. Okay, Sharup. Okay, good. Now comes to Jatin. Jatin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Jatin asks me a very common question, very easy question. That is, what do you mean by commutation?
What, sir?
What is meant by commutation?
Commutation in power electronics, sir.
Normal, in general, what is meant by commutation?
तो उसमें सर हम लोग अगर डीसी पावर देंगे तो हम लोग को स्क्वायर वेव आता है उसमें, मतलब अगर हम लोग को और कहीं पे कम्यूटेशन का मतलब तो सर शायद वही होगा मेरे हिसाब से।
Uh,
कम्यूटेशन का हमको टाइप
is
कम्यूटेशन का हमको टाइप
is you use is we use commutation in SCR?
सीआर, हाँ सर, यस सर, थायरिस्टर है तो
How
थायरिस्टर को हम लोग यूज करते हैं।
how we use commutation in
जब
SCR? When
एससीआर मतलब सर सर उसको जब टर्न ऑफ कर देंगे तब हम लोग यूज करते हैं सर,
Yes,
टर्न ऑफ करके।
right, very good, right. It is so commutation is the process, okay. So
Yes, sir.
changing the direction of current flow, you know already, and
Yes,
it is
sir.
used basically turn off the SCR, okay. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Saroj, are you there?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Saroj, are you there or not? Saroj Kumar Mahato. Saroj is not there, okay. I think his network, you have network issue, okay. Shilpi, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shilpi, please tell me. We have already designed this circuit in our previous lab. What are the advantage of freewheeling diode in a full wave rectifier? Why we are using freewheeling diode in the circuit of full wave rectifier?
Freewheeling diode.
Already we are designing this circuit in our electronic simulation lab. What are the advantages of freewheeling diode in a full wave rectifier? Did you know?
Yes, sir. वो उसमें मतलब कुछ भी नुकसान होने से बचाता है, ये मतलब कि कोई भी स्पार्क होना या कुछ भी।
No. This is not the right answer.
फ्रीव्हीलिंग डायोड जो इंडक्टर वगैरह से कनेक्ट रहता है वही होता है ना?
Listen to me very carefully. I am asking you to what are the advantage of the freewheeling diode in a full wave rectifier? Okay, no issue.
एडवांटेज
Okay, no
तो
issue.
एडवांटेज ही हुआ कि अगर स्पार्क वगैरह से बचाया तो।
Give some specific answer.
It reduces the sparks if मतलब
What you said? You said it is produce sparks.
no sir, it reduces sparks or something.
And also not only spark, it is also reducing arcing. You know, arcing. Arcing. ARCHING. Arcing across the mechanical switch.
Okay.
Arcing. Okay. Okay.
That
Good.
can, that could be count on advantage. Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now come to Saroj. Are you there? Saroj Kumar Mahato.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saroj, Saroj, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
A very easy question. That is what are the losses? What are the losses occurred in a PCR of thyristor during his working condition? What are the losses occurred in a thyristor during working condition?
सर मतलब नहीं समझ पाए सर, मतलब एक बार
What?
फिर से-
What are the losses? Loss. What are the losses occurred in a high during working condition?
सर हीटिंग इफेक्ट तो होता ही है सर एससीआर में। मतलब बहुत ज्यादा वोल्टेज अगर देते हैं तो जैसे और जब टर्न ऑन करते हैं या लाइट ट्रिगरिंग करते हैं।
I am asking you what are the losses like in a transformer there are cold loss, in the machine there are cold loss, copper loss, hysteresis loss. There are many losses happen in the machines, transformer, okay, and other machine, induction machine. So I am asking what are the losses occurred in the thyristor?
कंडक्शन लॉस होता है जब ऑन जैसे ऑन स्टेट में रहता है तो कंडक्शन लॉस होता है सर। मतलब और ऑन करते हैं तो उस समय मतलब स्विचिंग लॉस होता है।
And or one is
और
conduction loss. Then
मतलब जब ऑन करते हैं उस समय लॉस होता है सर, और जो कंडक्टिंग स्टेट में रहता है उस समय लॉस होता है।
and
और सर
can you heard about the loss due to leakage current?
यस सर लीकेज के ड्यू टू लीकेज करंट आल्सो लॉस occur सर।
And also switching loss,
यस सर।
forward conduction losses. Can you heard about
यस
this name?
यस सर यस सर
Gate triggering loss also there. So there are
यस सर
many kind of losses are there in the thyristor during working. Like you can say that one is forward conduction losses, second is loss due to leakage current during forward and reverse blocking, third is switching loss, fourth is gate triggering loss. Okay, okay, good.
यस सर।
Saroj. Okay. Now come to Shivam. Shivam, are you there or not? Shivam Jaiswal.
Yes, sir.
Shivam, please tell me what is the advantage of freewheeling diode in rectifier circuit?
Freewheeling diode, sir.
Yes.
So it provides the path to इंडक्टर में जैसे करंट रहता है तो उसको पाथ प्रोवाइड करता है फ्लो करने के लिए।
Give me a specific answer. More specific answer. Give me more specific answer. That is not the way you should answer. Tackle this question. Okay.
सॉरी सर।
So my question is, what are the okay? I got your point, Shivam. Okay, I am asking this answer. Listen to me very carefully. I am asking my question is, what are the advantage of freewheeling diode in rectifier circuit? In our previous simulation class, we have already designed this circuit, okay, using HCR or and diode, freewheeling diode. But why we are using diode? There are many reasons behind that. That is, the input power factor is improved. Okay, if we are using freewheeling diode, then the power factor is improved. And also the main reason is I am particularly said this thing when I am elaborating the waveform from the particular circuit rectifier waveform. Then I also tell you that if freewheeling diode is basically prevent the output voltage from becoming negative. Freewheeling diode prevent the output voltage from becoming negative. Right? Right or wrong?
यस सर।
Yes.
यस।
And the load current. So if the freewheeling diode prevent the output voltage from becoming negative, then the load current waveform is also improved. This is simple logic. Then the load current waveform is also improved. So that's why we are using usually diode. The rectifier side. Okay. Okay. Okay, Shivam. Good. Now comes to Saurabh. Saurabh, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saurabh. Saurabh, I am asking you a very, very easy question. Very easy question. This is the we are already with the simulation lab, and also your part one is theory class and practical class also going on parallelly. So, Saurabh, please tell me what is an inverter?
Sir, it convert DC supply into AC supply.
So, Saurabh, according to you tell me that inverter convert DC supply to AC supply, right?
Yes, sir.
Here you are right, but DC to AC, okay. Okay, good. But can anyone tell me that in the inverter, what circuit is in the inverter? Rectified circuit or inverter circuit is there? The inverter have which kind of circuit in it? Rectifier circuit or inverter circuit? What is the operation? Hello, can anyone tell me what is the operation of the inverter? What is the operation of inverter? How inverter operate? Can anyone tell me? Abhijit, can you tell me how inverter operate? You all have inverter in your home.
Yes, sir.
How inverter operate?
Sir, inverter takes the AC current from the source, from the supply, sir, AC supply, and converts it into DC for charging the battery, sir. While discharging, the battery power stored in DC is converted back to AC, sir.
So
These are two
yes,
operations, sir, rectification and inverters.
yes. So in the inverter, both circuit. In the inverter, we have both circuit, not only the rectifier but also the inverter, right? Abhijit, give me the 100% right answer. In the inverter, we have both the circuit. Why? Because when the power is on, then what happens? Then inverter take the AC power supply, AC single phase power supply, okay, and convert it to DC power supply. Convert it to the DC power supply with the help of rectifier, because rectifier convert AC to DC. Why it is converting AC to DC? Because in the battery, we are storing the energy in the form of DC current. Okay, when the power supply is on, then this procedure is going on, and when the power is cut, then what happens? Then the storing the DC current, which is DC charge, which is storing in the battery, that is converting with the help of inverter circuit DC to AC, and it is supplied in our houses. Okay. So in that way, the inverter is work. Okay. So inverter have both the circuit, not only rectifier but also inverter, because it is converting first AC to DC, then it is converting and store the energy in the form of DC in the battery, and after that it is converting DC to AC to supply when the power is cut. Okay. Okay, Saurabh, good. Abhijit, very good. Now come to Swarup. Swarup, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Swarup. Uh, Swaroop, please tell me what is. Swaroop, please tell me what is. Is it question? What is chopper? Swaroop, what is chopper? Please tell me. Swaroop, are you there? Swaroop,
Sir, chopper is the device which convert DC to DC, AC to AC.
please elaborate the answer.
Hello.
Yes, please elaborate your answer.
Hello.
Yes, Swaroop, I am listening. Please. Swaroop, are you there? Hello.
Yes, sir. You
Swaroop,
are disconnected, sir.
yes, yes. The network is very poor sometimes. Please ignore it. Okay. Now tell me what is chopper?
Sir, chopper is a power electronic device. So by that we can where DC input DC change into output DC.
No, wrong. Wrong answer. Input DC to output DC.
Convert to DC to DC.
It's some specific answer. It's for some specification. Sorry. Yes, it is convert DC to DC. But what? Variable DC voltage to a constant DC voltage.
सर वेरिएबल डीसी में
Sir,
कन्वर्ट
fixed
करता है सर
fixed DC voltage, fixed DC voltage to variable DC voltage. Fixed input DC voltage to variable output DC voltage.
But if we use to get the variable DC voltage from a constant DC voltage source, then
Yes, sir, we can use chopper.
okay. I am telling you the static switch used to get a variable DC voltage from the constant DC voltage.
Fixed.
DC voltage.
Yes,
right?
fixed DC.
Okay. Swaroop, good. Okay, Swaroop, I'm asking you a relating question from that. Acha, is Swaroop,
Yes, sir.
please tell me, acha, can we compare a DC chopper with the transformer, AC transformer? It is equivalent or not? A DC chopper or
Sir,
transformer?
approximate.
Yes.
But transformers are where we can power, we increase power and decrease
No,
power.
no, just tell me.
Just like chopper. Yeah, approximately equivalent, sir. Function is equivalent.
Yes,
Approximately function is equivalent.
right. Very good. Sonu. Now, Sonu, are you there or not? Sonu? Sonu Kumar Marandi. Sonu, are you there? Sonu Kumar Marandi. Sonu, I know you are there, but why you did not speak?
हेलो
Sonu, where are you?
सर थोड़ा यहाँ बगल में मैच हो सर, बहुत भीड़ लग रहा है हम लोग का गांव में।
क्या था
और
आज?
आवाज
पूजा था क्या?
हेलो हाँ सर, मतलब भीड़ है, आवाज सर नहीं आ पाएगा नेटवर्क।
ओके।
हेलो
Okay, what occasion is
Hello?
there? Sonu, what occasion is there?
सर पूजा था सर, तो भीड़ है यहाँ हम लोग का गांव में।
Okay, no issue, no issue. Turn off your mic. Okay, I got it. Turn off your mic. Okay, I got it. आज कुछ पूजा है, सब लोग जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। सोनू, okay. Now come to Abhijit, and I am after that question we close the VIVA session for tomorrow, for today. Okay. Now Shiv Shakti Pathak want to join. Okay. Okay. So my last question is very interesting. Okay. So I can ask all of you a question, one question, and you give me point by point. Okay. Like I am asking a question, general question. First, Abhijit give me a point. Then Jatin give me a point. Then Saroj, Shilpi, Shivam, Saurabh, Swarup. Okay. We all are giving one by one point. So my question is, what is the main purpose of power tronics? Abhijit, what is the main purpose of power tronics? Abhijit,
Sir, makes control operation smooth and faster.
okay. Now come to Jatin. Jatin, give me a point. Give me another point.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of power tronics?
सर इसमें जो पावर कंडक्शन डिस्टॉर्शन हार्मोनिक वोल्टेज डिप्स एंड ओवर
I did not get you. I did not get you, Jatin. Please give me. Speak loudly.
Sir, for using for power conversion AC to DC, DC to AC, AC to AC.
Very good, very good, very good. Saroj, give me another point. What is the purpose of power tronics?
सर जो हाई पावर कंट्रोल होता है, तो हाई पावर एप्लीकेशन जैसे हाई करंट और हाई वोल्टेज को कंट्रोल करना है, तो पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का ही जो मतलब एप्लीकेंस जो यूज करना पड़ता है सर उसमें।
Okay, now Shilpi, give me a point. Give me a point about purpose of power tronics. Your friend Saurabh, Jatin, Abhijit already give one by one point. Shilpi, are you there?
So already given points which I know.
Give me another point. There are lots of points is there. Give me give me application.
लाइफ को आसान करता है कोई भी।
How your life is asan with the power tronics?
बिकॉज चार्जर्स वगैरह यूज होते हैं, एडेप्टर्स वगैरह यूज होते हैं, बहुत कुछ में मतलब पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का मेन रोल्स होता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में, मतलब एटलीस्ट इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का।
Okay. Okay, now Shivam, give me another point. Shivam, what is the purpose of power tronics? Shivam?
Power electron. Hello.
Yes, I am listening.
Hello.
I am listening, Shivam, please.
Power electronics in the branch of study in which we study about all types
Shivam, do not speak. Do not copy or paste from the Google. Try to answer by yourself.
No, sir.
It is copy. It is copy paste from Google.
सभी टाइप का सर कंट्रोल और कन्वर्जन किया जा सकता है सर पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से।
Like, give me some example. Give
AC
me
to
some
AC,
example. Like.
like AC to AC, AC to DC, like frequency control.
Okay, okay, Shivam, I got your point. Got your point. Saurabh, are you there or not? Saurabh, give me another point.
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of power electronics?
Sir, to reduce the losses, sir.
To reduce the losses.
Hello?
To reduce the losses, it is not the purpose of power electronics.
Sir, suppose we are controlling DC motor by various resistor. The resistor, there will be resistor loss.
No. Do not go in that deep. I am just asking what is the purpose of power electronics. Just in simple words. You can set some application here.
Sir, speed will increase, sir. Some device speed will increase, sir.
Okay, like
sir, we use MOSFET, which is speed.
like you can say cyclo converter application. Like yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, I got your point. Saurabh, are you there?
Yes, sir. The main purpose of use of power electronics to control conversion supply from one form to another form, like voltage, high voltage to low voltage to high voltage, AC to DC, DC to AC, and other application like convert high frequency to low frequency to high frequency. It is
very good.
It can be
yes,
so can I
Shilpi.
say one point.
Yes,
Reducing
right.
power consumption in controlling circuit, it can also be a point.
Okay, but you did not say when is your turn. Okay, no issue. Okay. And Shiv Shakti Pathak, and who is joining now? Shiv Shakti Pathak again. Shiv Shakti Pathak. Shiv Shakti Pathak and Sonu. Anupam, are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Anupam, where are you? Why you are joining? Why you are joining after 80 to 90 minutes? Are
सर
you busy?
ज्वाइन हुआ आधा घंटा हो गया सर.
No, you are not here, present. Anupam,
Yes, sir. आधा घंटा पहले ज्वाइन किए थे.
No. You are not joining here. I am asking the question. 4 question I have already asked to each and every one, but you are not present here. So don't be smart.
सर
Yes.
सबका क्वेश्चन सुन रहे थे सर हम तो.
Oh, very good. You have already heard everyone question and answer. Very good. Then you should know the answer of every question, right, Anupam?
Yes, sir. जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे सारा पता सर.
Okay, very nice. Okay, I am asking you. Very nice. Anupam, please tell me what are the type of commutation first?
सर नेचुरल कम्यूटेशन एंड फोर्स्ड कम्यूटेशन सर.
And what are the advantage of freewheeling diode in the rectifier circuit?
What sir?
What are the advantages of freewheeling diode in rectifier circuit?
Freewheeling diode sir.
Yes. Do not Google it.
No sir, I am not knowing it sir.
Okay, then
I don't know the answer.
You don't know.
No sir, freewheeling diode not knowing sir.
But you are asking me that you listen to every question and answer very carefully.
No, no sir, after joining मतलब I have joined 30 minutes earlier sir from
Why
from the,
you are joining 30 minutes earlier?
sir I was sleeping sir.
You are
Sleeping sir, I was sleeping sir.
okay. Okay. So you are very hardworking. You are sleeping. So no doubt on that. Shiv Shakti Pathak, are you there or not? Shiv Shakti,
हाँ सर,
where are you?
नेटवर्क नहीं पकड़ता है सर, जगह
Right,
थोड़ा
right.
खराब है।
It is not about network. It is about excuse. You know, it is about excuse.
अब सर नेटवर्क नहीं रहेगा तो एक्सक्यूज बनाना पड़ता है ना सर, क्या करें?
Yes, it is